Ni hao.
What's up, Jessica Squad?
Today we are going to be trying.
It's open. Oh
Candied Haas, Skewer Brochet Confits Haas. Okay.
Now we're going to be opening it.
So, this is a Candy Haas skewer, and it's one of 3 quality. It's a specialty in Beijing. This product is processed through Beijing traditional handcraft with select high-quality hawthorns. The sugar coating is thin and crisp and will not stick to the teeth. The stones are removed for easy consumption. The sweet and slightly sour taste, which actually stimulates your appetite, is widely accepted. This product is suitable for people of all ages. 60 calories for 3, baby. That's pop.
This is our first time having hot anything. We never even knew there was something called a hot or hawthorn. And basically, it's the hawthorn, sugar, and a rice paper. What is that? That looks like a meatball. Ew.
It is a meatball, I'm pretty sure. It tastes meaty. This is supposed to be sugar.
It's rock hard on your head, Vincent.
That's a sugar layer?
No, this is paper. It's a paper layer.
Oh, like a rice paper or something? Or a sugar layer?
Oh my gosh, see? It did stick.
I just saw this at the market and I thought it looked like really interesting.
Yeah.
And we never even like heard of a hawthorn.
Here,
so
Mom. This is actually good.
It's good. Does it taste like a fruit or a vegetable or anything? Or does it taste like ice cream?
It's like meat.
It tastes like meat? Like frozen meat? For real, Vincent? How about you, Holona? Does it taste like meat?
No.
What kind of meat you think it tastes like, Vincent?
Pork.
No, it doesn't, you special kid.
Okay, so it's crispy.
And fine.
So, the outside is very crunchy, but then you go on the inside and it's sweet and sour.
This tastes so good. Get this soda out of town. Tastes like a sour strawberry.
Yeah, it's really sour on the inside.
Would you want to get this again, kids?
It makes my head sticky.
I need a bowl. Give me a bowl.
Look, these haws, I think they might be like related to strawberries because they actually do look like strawberries. And it has the seeds on the outside just like a strawberry too.
These haws out of town. Cold.
It's like if an apple and a strawberry were combined together. Here's a closer look on the inside. A big seed has been removed. 10 would be like, it's so delicious, and 1 is so horrible. What do you give this? What?
Like a 5.
Like 5? So it's like, okay. How about you, Holona? A 4.
It's good. I like the sugar. These haws are good.
Bye.
Bye, Just Candied crew. We love you.
Yum.
A little sour for you, honey? Good for you, Fuller? Do you like the sugar outside coating?
I like it. Not me.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.